Yo, what's up? My name is Desiree, and I'm really bored right now. So I decided to make a little vlog, and I don't know, I'm just really bored right now. So the other day I'm at the I don't forget what it's called. I think it was like called Mark or something, Marky. Anyway, I went there because I had to get some, potatoes. I had to make some french fries. I don't know how it goes. You know what I'm saying? You got like in a big ass lines. So annoying. Like there's only like three registers open, and I need to get home and make my french fries. And this lady gonna be all inconsiderate about me. Like I try squeezing up there. There's like 20 people in one line. There's only like three registers open. 20 people each line. I go to like register 4, and I go and I try to cut in front of this man because he only got like I only got like 25 items in a fucking express zone. I'm like, hey, I ain't gonna deal with that. So I cut in front of him, and he all like, lady, you gotta get to the back of the line. Who the hell is you telling me I gotta get to the back of the line? No, I gotta make my french fries. Honey, you can wait. You got like 20 things in there. What you got? What you got? What's that, ointment? You got ointment in there? No, honey. Really? Ridiculous. So I go, right? I'm like, honey, no, I got like 5 potatoes. You got like 25 Carosaurus things up in there. So I keep walking, right? This old ass bitch is right there. And, she's a register lady or whatever. She be checking out people. I wait my turn like a good citizen right before to go before me or whatever. After I cut in front of that one guy. And she like, you gotta go to the end of the line. I'm like, what, bitch? Who is you telling me I gotta get to the right end of the line? Honey, I gotta make some french fries. Devon's coming over tonight. I gotta make him some french fries. You like french fries. And she like, honey, you gotta go to the end of the line. Damn right, I'm gonna go to the end of the line. Oh, like, the hell, man? I don't even know. It's so annoying. Like, I don't even know. So, anyways, then after I get checked out or whatever, like, took me like an hour. The bitch kept yelling at me, so I'm like, fuck it, I'll just go to the end of the line. I don't care. So I went to the end of the line, and I went outside to see my ex-boyfriend Travis standing there. And he like, dang, you looking fine. I'm like, I know I'm looking fine. I'm always looking fine. You look nasty. And his little ratchet ass girlfriend come on. She like, hi Travis. I'm like, You left me for that? That girl looked like she got a weave glued to the side of her head. She looked nasty. So nasty. Like, really? I'm so much cuter than her. I don't even know why she let me. He's stupid. He's so stupid. He probably got like 20 baby mamas. I mean, like, he don't even see his kid that live with me. Poor baby girl. I feel so bad. He don't even see her. She's like, where my daddy? I'm like, yo, daddy's out busting some out. But I said, bitch. And she's like, mommy, what's that mean? I'm like, just wait till you get older, honey. That's life. Alright, that's life for you. And then I called my girl Stacy come hang out. And she like, I can't. I got no money. Girl, you be working in damn corners every fucking night. You act like you don't got no damn money. You have money. I know you have money. Don't even say you don't, because I know you do. You do. You have money. Don't even lie. And she's like, girl, oh, that's alright. I got no money. Okay, I got 3 kids to feed. Girl, I got like 27. You don't see me feeding them. They can get it themselves. And the bigger ones can take care of the little ones. I don't know. I just want to go out and have a good time, after seeing Travis and all that shit. So much work. And then she has a nerve to call me annoying and said I sound nasally. Bitch, please. Who you calling nasally? And then she like, girl, you look so white today. Cause you gotta hang out with me, little girls like that. Girl, you look so white and so ratchet. Let's just say that bitch got knocked the fuck out. Okay? You ain't gonna call me white. You ain't gonna call me ratchet. You ain't gonna call me a bitch. I'm like, yeah, I'm a bitch, but I ain't no white ratchet bitch. I'm classy, okay? I care classy. And so now, if I have to avoid getting shot by some fucking gang members, I gotta wear this damn bandana all the fucking time. It's fucking annoying. And I'm going down there like, hey, Desiree, like, hey, Bob, how you doing? So much fucking work. Oh my god. know right now. Like, I just need the smoke is trying to get out. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shit. I don't even know. I'm bored right now. You know what I'm saying? And I was gonna make a little blog about it. Shit, y'all white people got all this damn shit going. I don't even know. I didn't get my hair redid. Look at this. It looks flat. So, yeah, I don't know. I guess that was my day today. After I saw Travis, I was like, like, it kind of ruined the day for me. I was like, him and his baby mama. Like, really? You gonna bring her to Mark's? Damn no way. I know I could be shopping there. I mean, who the hell even shops at Mark's? He just did. He knew I was gonna be there. He saw my Facebook status. He like, oh, she's gonna be up there. Let's go see her. I don't even know. Like, seriously, ridiculous. I don't even fucking know. And then the mailman, he came over with my check, right? He like, here's your check, lady. I'm like, thank you. You know what this kid tried doing? He tried getting with me. You know why? You wanna know how I know that? Like, he didn't say baby or nothing like that, but he's just like, well, thank you for working with us. You know, whatever, because I signed with them instead of the other man or whatever. So I did like FedEx instead of USP or PSU, whatever the hell it's called. And he like, thank you for signing with us. I'm like, you think I'm gonna try to get with you? I don't know why everybody's trying to get with me. I know I'm sexy, but seriously, honey, I don't want you. You nasty. Like, just you be delivering boxes. You know, say thank you for signing with us. No, I don't want you. Like, seriously, go get someone else. Fool, no one like you. I'm too damn sexy. Like, seriously, I have to shave my hair out. No, I couldn't do that. But anyways, I don't know, this video's getting like 7 minutes long, and I doubt any y'all white ass is gonna watch it anyway. So I'm gonna like peace the fuck out of here. You know, I'm gonna go get high. I don't know. I'll be back later. I don't know. I'm gonna probably try to get back with Travis and you know, how that shit go. He wants it. It's okay. Shit. Where's that padding for my bra? One fucking pad, dude. I don't even know where my other one went. Well, I guess we'll put it in this one. You look a little down today. Alright, let's get that circulated in there. A little bigger already. God damn. Alright, well, peace out, Girl Scout. Oh, shit, dude. Damn swine flu going around. Like a centipede crawled up and exploded his ass cheese in there. That's nasty. Alright, well, I'll see y'all later. Bye.